Hello everyone. In this lesson we're going to look at the steps to disable the Windows Recall AI feature on Windows 11 version 24H2 or higher releases. If you're setting up a new device or a new installation on a compatible computer with an NPU with more than 40 TOPS of performance, 16 GB of RAM, or at least 256 gigs of storage, you will have the option to enable or disable the recall feature on the computer. However, if recall is enabled on the device, you can disable it through the Settings app, Group Policy, and even through the Registry. Okay, let's dive into the steps to disable Windows Recall AI on your computer. But before, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button to help YouTube show this video to more people. It doesn't cost anything and you will be helping the channel and supporting my work. First, we're going to look at the steps to disable the recall feature through the Settings app. And to do that, open Start and look for Settings. Then go to Privacy and Security and then open the Recall and Snapshots page. In here, you just need to turn off the Save Snapshots toggle switch, and that will disable recall completely. However, the data will still remain on the computer. If you want to delete all the snapshots, click on here and then just click the Delete All button for the Delete All Snapshots. And now you have completely disabled the feature and deleted all the data. Now, if you only want to disable the feature just to perform a specific task or for a certain period, what you can do is just click the recall button right here and click the pause until tomorrow button. This will stop the feature from running on the computer, and the feature will then automatically restart the next day on the next time that you open the same menu and click the resume button. Now, if you have a device running Windows 11 at home, you won't have access to the Group Policy editor, but you can still disable the Windows Recall feature through the Registry, modifying the Windows AI key. And let me show you how that works. But before, I just want to make sure that you understand that modifying the Registry is not recommended in most cases. If you do this, it is assumed that you know what you're doing and you have created a backup before proceeding. Also, these instructions will also work on Windows 11 Pro. To start, just open the Start menu and let's look for the Registry. Then we need to browse to the H key current user, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows, and then we need to select the Windows AI key. In here, we're going to right click, select New, and choose the D word option. And we're going to name it Disable AI Data Analysis. Then we're going to right click on it and select the modify button. And then we're going to set the value from 0 to 1 and then click OK. Now we need to open the H key local machine key, and then we're going to browse to Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows, and then we're going to select the Windows AI key. In here, we're going to right click, select New, and we're going to choose the D word option. And for the name, we're going to use Disable AI Data Analysis. And then we're going to modify the option and we're going to set the value to 1. At this point, you can close the Registry and restart the computer, and then the Windows Recall feature will be disabled on your computer. And actually, when you go back to the Settings app, and then if we go to Privacy and Security and then we go to the Recall settings, now the option will be grayed out because it's being managed by the configuration that we just made. Now, to undo those changes, just go back to the Registry. And then you just need to go back to the same locations where you created the D words. And on this case, go to the H key local machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows, and on Windows AI, you can set this option to 0 or you can delete it. Then go back to the H key current user key and browse to Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows, and Windows AI. And from here, you can set this key to 0 or you can delete it by right-clicking on it and selecting the delete option. And now you can restart the computer to make the feature available on the computer. Now, if you go back to the Settings app, and then we go to the Recall Snapshots page, we're going to see that now the feature is enabled and you can manage it once again. Now, if you have a computer running Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, or Education, you can disable the recall feature through the group policy editor. These instructions will not work with Windows 11 Home because the group policy editor is not available on that edition. To start, open the Start menu and look for the group policy editor. Now, under User Configuration, open Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, and then we're going to look for the Windows AI key. In here, right-click to turn off Saving Snapshots for Windows Policy, right-click on it and select the Edit option. Now, click the Enable option to disable Recall AI on Windows 11. Then click Apply, click OK, and you might need to restart the computer for the changes to take effect. Now, similar to editing the registry, when you go to the Settings app, go to Privacy Settings, and then we go to the Recall and Snapshots page, the feature will be disabled and you won't be able to manage it through the Settings app. Now, if you want to make the feature available again, just go back to the same policy, right-click on it, select the Edit option, and then make sure to select the Not Configure option, click Apply, and click OK. It is important to know that when you use the group policy editor or the registry, you're disabling the feature, but any data that Recall has collected on the computer will remain on the device. If you want to delete that data, you will need to go to the Settings app and then go to Privacy and Security, and then we need to open the Recall and Snapshots page. And from here, just click on Delete Snapshots setting and click the Delete All button. And then just click the Delete button again, and that will delete all the information from the computer. And that's it. Those are virtually all the different ways that you can use to disable the Recall AI feature on your computer. But remember that if you turn off this feature, you're not actually removing anything from the operating system, since the Windows 11 version 24H2 also integrates the new Windows Copilot runtime that integrates more than 40 different AI models, and those are installed on the computer. Now, let me know if you will be using this feature or if you plan to turn it off. Let me know what you plan to do in the comments below. Remember to like the video. Like I said, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.